Another healthy sleep zone solution by Protect-A-Bed. Protect-A-Bed, healthy sleep zone solutions. Snorebegon Sleep Positioning System. Sleep innovation your partner will love. Are you frustrated and exhausted because of snoring? If you are among a significant number of people who snore, this revolutionary sleep positioning system can help. Years of research has produced this system to ensure the sleeper's position, to maximize opening of the airways, to improve breathing and reduce snoring. Snoring affects the snorer and the partner. In many cases, the snorer is not getting a good sleep and may even have apnea, which if not treated, can become serious. After many years of research and development, at last, a solution that helps most snorers. This is sleep innovation your partner will love. It will dramatically reduce, if not clear up, your snoring. Enjoy a new you. Wake up refreshed and energized, having had optimal sleep that actually restores your body with minimized stress and real comfort. Finally, after years of research, the Snorebegon unique design addresses the problems associated with snoring by supporting the entire body, not just the neck and shoulders, elevating the body. Elevation is needed to make breathing easier and prevent gravitational collapse of airways. Ergonomic design to maintain correct posture, ensuring the spine and shoulders remain at right angles. Design encourages side sleeping and prevents sleeping on the back, leaving air passages open to breathe easier. Recess channel provides space for shoulder and arm to rest stress-free. Detachable and adjustable headrest ensures optimal comfort. Attachable armrest ensures arm can lay flat and relaxed for added comfort when the arm is extended. A significant number of people snore. Snoring is often a symptom of sleep apnea. Snoring often causes significant sleep deprivation, affecting overall health and well-being. It can impact lives, causing daytime drowsiness, reduced concentration, and even affect relationships. Bed partners are also significantly affected. Sleep deprivation and snoring can increase health risks. Snorebegon Sleep Positioning System aims to provide a painless, drug-free, noise-free alternative to overcome the cause of snoring, such as sleeping on one's back, weight gain around the throat, relaxed throat muscles due to aging. The Snorebegon Sleep Positioning System comes with a free protection cover that is removable and washable, so you can sleep directly on it and ensure that Snorebegon remains hygienic and clean. The sleep surface of the cover is made with Tencel, a eucalyptus fiber that has natural thermoregulation properties and is as soft as silk to sleep on. The pillow section where you lay your head has an additional removable cover. This is for ease of use and will help reduce the amount of times needed for washing the entire protective cover.